Welcome to the instructions video for the Thin Lens Equation Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you solve optical problems by calculating the relationship between object distance, image distance, and focal length for thin lenses used in cameras, microscopes, and other optical devices. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter values for any two of the three main parameters. First, input the focal length of your lens in centimeters, positive for converging lenses, negative for diverging lenses. Next, enter the object distance, which is how far your object is placed from the lens. The calculator will then determine the image distance, showing where the image forms. You can also calculate magnification to understand if the image is larger or smaller than the object. For our example, let's enter a focal length of 10 centimeters and an object distance of 30 centimeters. The results will show the image distance and magnification, telling you the image characteristics. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.